In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a used PC on eBay safely. We all want to find a great deal, but it's important to be smart and careful to ensure you get a quality product. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow to make a safe and satisfying purchase. First, head over to eBay's website and begin by searching for a used PC or a specific model you're interested in. It's crucial to narrow down your search using the right filters. You can select used or refurbished under condition to ensure you're looking at previously owned machines. Adjust the price range to fit your budget and consider setting the location to find local sellers, which may help with quicker shipping and potentially lower costs. The next important step is to thoroughly check the seller's feedback. Aim to buy from sellers who have a rating of 98% or higher, as this generally indicates they're trustworthy. Reading reviews is also beneficial to see if they have sold PCs or electronics before. Be wary of new sellers with little or no feedback, as this may increase your risk. Carefully reading the description of the PC is essential. Look for detailed information about the processor, RAM size, storage type, and capacity, as well as whether it includes a graphics card and a Windows license. Also, check if the PC is tested, factory reset, or refurbished, as these factors impact performance. When it comes to listings, photos are incredibly important. Verify that the seller has uploaded actual photos of the PC rather than stock images. Use the zoom function to inspect for any visible scratches, dust buildup, or missing components which might affect the computer's functioning. Don't hesitate to ask questions before making a purchase. Contact the seller if you have any uncertainties about aspects like battery life, especially if it's a laptop, the warranty or return policy, and any upgrades or repairs that may have been done. A good seller will respond openly and helpfully to your inquiries. It's wise to consider the return policy before finalizing your purchase. Opt for sellers who offer at least a 14 to 30-day return window. This policy acts as a safeguard, allowing you to return the computer if it doesn't meet the description or expectations. When it's time to pay, use secure methods like eBay checkout, PayPal, or a credit card for an extra layer of protection. Avoid direct bank transfers or payments that happen outside of the eBay platform to reduce risk. Finally, when the PC arrives, verify it immediately. Perform hardware checks for the CPU, RAM, and storage to ensure the specifications match what was advertised. If you encounter any issues or discrepancies, file a claim through eBay's money-back guarantee within the designated timeframe to resolve the problem. By following these steps, you can feel confident and secure in purchasing a used PC from eBay. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.